Hey everyone, this is Grace here. Welcome to Go for Glee, my YouTube channel. Go for Glee is a creative space to share my art. I love painting florals. It's been a passion with me for a long time. I held my exhibition last December in acrylic paintings. I love painting in acrylic and in watercolors. Here are some of them. However, I don't just limit myself to these. I sometimes think out of the box too. Adding a little bit of creativity to all walks of life is my thing. I love DIYs. Going from junk to joy is absolutely a wonderful thing. So I will be sharing some cool and aesthetic DIYs and also some easy room decor and makeover ideas. So please join me in my creative journey and please subscribe. In life, there are many choices to make, and if you ask me, I would always say go for Glee. Thank you.